take a break from all the paint and come back to reality for the Intense 5. Let's go! So, when you're driving like a lunatic on a main road, you don't look to see who you're driving in front of? Madam, yes? No, seriously. Come on now. Bolt is giving back to his alma mater again. $2 million to the school sporting program, plus Puma gear for all the sports teams. Woohoo! That's a great move. From Ghana to St. Lucia, Skilling not making the popular list at all. Apparently, while performing, a man appeared on stage with a gun. It was just for the optics, but the government never find it funny at all. Jaja. 61 years and 8 months. That's the sentence handed down to the Cocoa Piece killer. No words. And finally holding the spot this week, Chanel Muir is giving up dancehall and giving her music to God. This comes after she did a live on Instagram discussing issues with her manager and just general exhaustion. Boy, Chanel, we wish you all the best, girl. We got you, alright? That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.